Samsung has launched its new 5G phone under M series in Brazil called Galaxy M55. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy M55 5G features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 644 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy M55 5G sports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 123-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 with One UI 6.1 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 5 years of security updates and 4 years of OS upgrades. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, but sadly the company doesn't provide the charger inside the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes dual stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos technology for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.9 by 76.5 by 7.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 180 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy M55 5G has been priced in Brazil at 2,999 Brazilian reals, and it is now available for purchase in the country in dark blue and light green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy M55 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.